guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new box to bring to you, and that is the Gothic Beauty Box 59. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, this is the Gothic Beauty 59 box. This was just sent to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So a little bit of a backstory. I received an email stating that my order has shipped. And when I looked at it, I was like, what did I order? Because I didn't order anything about that day or around that day. And it said it was going to my P.O. box. And I was like, okay, so somebody must be sending me something without me knowing. Most of the time, companies get a hold of me by email and they ask if I would be willing to show you guys. And then I look at it, I figure out if it's something to show you guys, say yes, or I just ignore them or say no thank you or whichever. So that's like how companies get a hold of me. They get a hold of me first. I kind of know about it. I can learn about it and then I can show you. However, this one just showed up at my P.O. box. I was like, what is this? So I opened it and the very first thing right on top says, a quick PR note for creators. You are receiving this Gothic Beauty Box number 59. So I don't know if that's like the 59th box or if the number 59 is actually included in the name of it. But it says you are receiving this Gothic Beauty Box number 59 as a gift because we like your content you create and hope you will use this gift to do an authentic, honest review, unboxing, or a makeup look video pics article. So they're not telling me I have to, they're just hoping that I would show you. So let's go ahead and kind of learn about the company. We'll go over this paper and see what it says, kind of learn about it, and then we will dive in and see what's inside of this box. So it says the Gothic Beauty Box 59 is available via their website, which I will link below. The Gothic Beauty Box 58 is also available for a limited time. All other past Gothic boxes are now sold out. So a little backstory about the brand. Gothic Beauty magazine was founded 25 years ago and is the largest and longest running goth magazine in the world. For a quarter century, Gothic Beauty has worked tirelessly to support and connect and preserve the Gothic community. Over the years, the magazine has covered all aspects of Gothic culture with an emphasis on style, fashion, and makeup. It says they were called the Best Goth Fashion Quarterly by the Washington Post, so it sounds like it might be a quarterly box. Each quarterly issue is now released with the option of a Gothic Beauty Box. So I guess that's what they're talking about is the magazine. If you get the magazine, now it's offered as a beauty box as well for an upcharge instead of just getting the magazine. So the Gothic Beauty Box is curated to have a fun assortment of goth must-haves, little spooky luxuries, and new cosmetics youthful for Gothic makeup looks. They support small businesses. They're 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Every box includes 7 or more items with a typical value of $100 or higher. And the box is priced at only $49. So the box with the magazine would be $49 per quarter, only 4 of them per year. So it says, thanks so much for checking out all of the goodies in the Gothic Beauty Box. We appreciate you. So let's go ahead and dive in and see now what is all inside of this Gothic Beauty Box number 59, again, quarterly box. So when you open it up, the magazine is right there. This is as far as I got. I took the top part off and I was like, stop, I'll open the rest with you guys. So this would be the magazine that they are talking about that's 25 years plus and running. And you can get just this magazine, or you can get this entire box and the magazine. So you have 2 options. And then you have this magazine to sit down and read and go through. And again, it changes every quarter. So here is this issue 15. Okay, so that's where the 59 comes from, because this is an issue 59. This is a 59th issued magazine. So this would be the 59th box to go with it. All right, now we're learning, you guys. So right on top, looks like you will have this every quarter. And it says, thanks so much for getting the Goth Beauty Box 59. please find the following dark artifacts inside. So it'll go through all of the products that are inside of here. And oh my gosh, look at this presentation. Look at this tissue paper, is absolutely adorable with the skulls, the spider webs, and the spiders. I love that. So when we remove the tissue paper, a quick sneak peek to inside of this number 59 is right there. Okay, you guys, so let's just go ahead and see what's all inside of this box. The first thing, this looks like a little, it looks like a teacup, but it looks like a brush cleaner. And of course, that's my favorite color, teal. Let's see where this is. Oh, it does say though that the retail value for this particular number 59 box is $152. So definitely over $100. I'm trying to find this on the list and I'm not finding it. So I'm just gonna set this aside and then maybe I'll find it later. But to me, it looks like it is a brush cleaner. Little teacup brush cleaner. So you can just put some little bit of water and soap and run your brushes around to clean it. That's what that looks like to me. So there's item number 1. Next up is a amber air freshener. I love the skull on there. So this says Lip Service at Lip Service 1985 air freshener in the shape of their classic crossbones. Hang this in your car and enjoy the comforting woodsy amber scent to keep you feeling cozy this winter. Retails for $5. And it also says that this company donates parts of every order to eco-conscious and animal welfare charities. Plus there's a postcard with Lippy 10 to get you 10% off. Maybe that's what this is right here. 100% vegan since 1985, 10% off. Yes. So here is the card that goes with this one right here. So that again is Lip Service 1985 for the air freshener valued at $5. Next, we do have a little sticker and it says Gothic Beauty. Look at how cute. And it just says Gothic Beauty Adorable Bat Sticker. So that is cute because it also goes with the season. And I really like that the air freshener is scented for the season as well. So you have the sticker and there's no value with the sticker. It just says Gothic Beauty Adorable Bat Sticker. So next it says Lashy Doodle. Lashy Doodle is a double-sided ink marker eyeliner with green ANKH stamp. Retail values for $13. There's that is at that end, and then there's that at that end, and that is what it looks like. And again, this is valued for $13. So again, it's green in color. It would be that color green. So you have the liner on this end and then the stamp will be on this end with that image. And I'm going to assume the stamp will be the same color green. I'm not quite sure, but that is what is down inside of here. So cool. Next up we have is a bat. Looks like a bat shaped hairpin. Bat hair clip in pewter color from HERMETIC Art, and this is retail values for $20. That is really cool though. And then the back of it is this kind of a clip where you pop that up, put your hair in, and then close it. And then again has that, but it is a really good size. So if you were to put it like on the side or the back of your head, that is a really good size, and again valued for $20. This is Dark Asteroid Pretty Small Precision Brush, and it's from darkasteroidpretty.com. That's the name of the company. And it says on here, oh, see, I just said if I move along, I might see it. I found this one. It says Form Flux Makeup Brush Cleaner Matte in Mint Green, Hypoallergenic Silicone, also available in lavender and pink. I'm glad, because teal is my favorite color. But that is the makeup brush cleaner, and it does not have an actual price on that one. It doesn't say a price for that. So next up we have, it says Spooky Spirits Velvet Shadows 100% pure and natural. So this sounds like it is a roller ball, like perfume. Oh, I never even went back to this. I never even went back to my brush. Hold on. Let me finish this one since it's in my hand, and then we'll go back to the brush. I'm all over the place, see? Velvet Shadows Full Size Essential Oil with a Roller Ball Applicator from Spooky Spirits Labs. This scent waves together the desiccant darkness of natural chocolate and the mysterious depth of black tea, while hints of wild raspberry add a tantalizing sweetness. And this is valued for $27. So I'm so glad nothing says anything about lavender or rose. When I see purple, I always think of lavender. When I see pink, I always think of rose. It's in here because I don't like those two scents. Oh my gosh, that smells divine. Oh my goodness, that is a fruity, amazing mixture. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I opened that. That smells amazing, you guys. That smells really, really good. I really like that. I don't smell no chocolate or tea. I'm smelling just like raspberry and just fruity, just a really good sweetness. It is really, really good and really sweet. So I really love that. And again, that is valued at $27. So let's go back with the brush. The Dark Asteroid Pretty.com, that's the name of the company. This small precision brush, it says that it is perfect for smudging eyeshadows, including all formula types. Placing techniques is especially good for quality glitter formulas. The vegan bristles are very dense and incredibly soft for gentle application in the delicate eye area. Can also be used to blend concealer. And this values for $32. So here is the makeup brush, again valued for $32, and that is super, super soft. Super, super soft. So again, valued $32, and it is the small precision brush. Next up, we do have a sticker. And this one here says Miss FD holographic sticker celebrating the release of her new album, Ephora. And that's from Miss FD Music. So there's a sticker there as well. So now we have is green and black striped gloves. Oh, when I looked at this, I thought they were going to be socks. They're gloves. Let's see. Let's see what they look like. Okay, so it looks like you have like your thumb that you put there, and so they would be like this, I guess, length, and you just stick your thumb out. Oh my gosh, I'm still smelling that rollerball. Then you put your thumbs out of those holes right there. These are from Charlottesville, and they retail value for $9. So again, you have this pair of gloves, and now we have one item left, you guys. And it looks like it is a eyeshadow palette. It says Lashy Doodle. And if it's in the greens, that's amazing, because that definitely then would match with the eyeliner. Lashy Doodle is a full-size eyeshadow palette inspired by bog witches with mystical and magical shades of the beautiful but dark swamp edition. Dramatic eye makeup for dramatic looks are available at lashydoodle.com, and this values for $42. So front, back, and when we, okay, there's a mirror on the top. Let me remove that so you can see these colors. Look at all of those beautiful colors. I love the greens, the sparklies, the mattes. That is a really nice color palette, especially, again, I love the greens, and I love that they have this and the green eyeliner to match. That is really, really neat. That is really, really neat. I love that they have them to match, and they're not just throwing in different things, and it's like you got to find other things to create that look, you can definitely create your look with this box and it'll all match. That is so cool. Again, valued for $42. So everything in this box is valued at $152 and it can be yours for $49. So a quick recap, you have this full-size eyeshadow palette, you have a pair of gloves, you have a precision brush, you have an amazing smelling rollerball perfume, you have a cleaning brush cup, you have 2 different stickers, you have the eyeliner that has a stamp on one end and it's green to match, you have the bat clip, you have the air freshener, and then the magazine. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for their number 59 in the beauty box. What do you think of the items that come inside? I think it's a great combination. And again, I love that they stayed with the same color scheme throughout the box for the products. I love that. You have a whole magazine and it's only quarterly. So there's only 4 of them per year. So there you go. Have you guys ever heard of this box? Do you want to get this box now? What would be your favorite item in this box? Definitely comment down below and let me know. Again, I don't have a code or anything. They just sent this my way. So $49, I will link their website down below in the description box if you would like to check out this company and see this box number 59 before it sells out. And if you want to sign up, then there'll be number 60 next season. Again, you can get the magazine only or the magazine with the beauty products. Again, quarterly, 4 per year. If you'd like to see other companies learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.